Hey guys, it's Savannah. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a room tour. So I thought I'd film this for you guys because it's been requested a few times. So yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and let's just get started. Okay, so this is what my room first looks like when you walk in. Just a little overview for you guys. So I guess we'll start on over here, and then I just have this little mirror on my door, just like a simple like mirror. It's from Target, I think. And so first thing when you walk in on the left is this little like picture collage thing. So all of the frames are from Urban Outfitters. I got them in a set, but it was like a long time ago, so I'm not sure if they have them anymore. But I just printed off all these pictures from Tumblr. They're not mine or anything. And then next to that I have this little like hook thing that I got from Urban Outfitters, and I just have like all of my scrunchies on here. Obviously I'm obsessed with scrunchies. And I just have like my wallet and my keys, this Rebecca Minkoff bag, and then my Gucci belt. And then there's like an ugly hole in the wall, so ignore that. But then next to that I have this jewelry holder, and it's from Urban Outfitters also. Just like a little warning, a lot of the stuff in my room is from Urban Outfitters. They just have like the cutest room decor. But anyway, so this thing is from Urban Outfitters, and I just have all my necklaces on it, and then these earrings. And then moving on to my dresser. Hey, so all my furniture is pretty old in my room. It's just like I've always had it, so yeah, I don't like know where it's from or anything. It's just like this old furniture. So this is what my dresser looks like over here. So right here I just have this little tray thing from Urban Outfitters, and then I have all my perfumes and deodorant and stuff. And then these are like my ring holders. They're from Urban Outfitters also, surprise. And then this is like my main jewelry holder thing. So I just have like some earrings, more earrings, my watch, earrings, hoop earrings, and some rings. And then a lot of my stud earrings, and then some more hoops. And this is from Urban Outfitters. I don't know if I said that already, but then moving on to this last little section, I just have my phone. I always like keep it charging right here. This little Nemo, well not Nemo, just like a clownfish thing, is from Urban Outfitters. They're so cute. They have like a bunch of different like little animals, and they're called like cable bites, I think. They're so cute. And then over here I have this candle. This is my favorite candle in the entire world. It's from Urban Outfitters. This is like what the packaging is. It's a soy candle. I've talked about this in one of my favorites videos, I think. It literally smells amazing. And then I just have my AirPods, and then this is from Home Goods. It's just like this onyx like thing, decoration. And then this hand thing is from Urban Outfitters. I think it's like technically like an ashtray, but I just use it to put like all my hair ties in and stuff. And then over here is where I just like have my computer charging always. So this little thing is also from Home Goods, this like stand thing. And then I have like my laptop case right here. It's from the Amazon, if you're wondering. And then over here I have this little area, and I literally still haven't filled these, and I've had this for like years, so hopefully that can happen this summer. But we'll just start over here. So I just have these books, just random books, then my GoPro, then this little faux plant is from Home Goods, and then my Polaroid camera. I've had it like forever. And then I just have like some random Brandy Melville stickers. They're so cute. And then these are just like some old like family photos that I just like put up because I thought they were cute. And then over here I have these four also faux plants. They're really cute, and I got them off Amazon. They all four came together in like these little glass things, and they look like very real. And then I have this speaker I got it from Urban Outfitters, but it's Marshall and it's amazing. I like 100% recommend this speaker. It's so good. The sound's amazing. And then I got these little wall clip things from Urban Outfitters also. And then also everything in this corner is from Urban Outfitters. And up here I have this little crystal like hanging thing, which is also from Urban. And then yeah, I just have this candle. It's so cute. It's also a soy candle. And then this is like a plant watering thing, but all my plants are fake, so I don't even know why I have that, just for decoration I guess. And then I just have like some random rocks and this like little decorative thing. And then in the corner I just have like my camera case, and then also down here I just have like 3 pairs of boots. And then moving on to my nightstand, this is like what it looks like. So I have this salt rock lamp, or like Himalayan salt lamp, whatever thing. I got mine from Urban Outfitters, but you can literally find these like anywhere. They're like super common now, and it actually tastes like salt if you lick it. Anyways, so then I have this little thing going on. So this is a picture of my dog. She's so cute. Her name's Brie. And this little frame thing is from Urban Outfitters. It's just like a Polaroid frame, and it does that. It's super cute. And then this faux plant is from Home Goods, I think. And then I have a little oil. This is eucalyptus oil for my oil diffuser. And I just have like this random jewelry box. And then this little cute, oh, I don't know where that's from, by the way. And then this little cute book. It's like a Spanish book. That's from Anthropology. And then I just have this kombucha that I was drinking earlier. And then, like I said before, I have my oil diffuser. This is the brand Now Solutions. I got it at Natural Grocer, so I think you can just get them at like basically any like health food store, or like online obviously. And then I have these blue light glasses. And if you don't know what blue light glasses are, they basically just like block out any blue light rays put out by like electronical devices, so like your computer and stuff. I always like wear them when I watch Netflix in bed and stuff and edit videos. And then I have this tapestry. I like never have any natural light in my room because I just like covered the blinds, which is fine. So the tapestry is from Urban Outfitters. I'll like back up a little bit. So that's what it looks like. It's really cute. And then all the string lights up there from Urban also, but you can like find those anywhere. And then my bed, once again, like I don't know where it's from. It's just like old furniture that I just have in my room. And then my bedspread is from Home Goods, I think. It's just like a plain white bedspread, nothing too exciting. And then my little pillow and my blanket are both from Urban Outfitters. So yeah, and also I have my little slippers down here. They're from Urban Outfitters, if you're wondering. So now moving on to the other side of my bed. Oh, and also all of these little candles that like line my tapestry are all from Urban Outfitters. And I got all of this like room stuff from Urban like a long time ago, so they probably don't have it anymore, but they still have like super cute room decor stuff. So moving over here, I just have another salt rock lamp. This one is from Amazon, I think. I don't know what this is. And then I have this little sock monkey. Then this is what this corner looks like. So up here I just have these like record cover things, and then over here I have this like wall hanging thing, which is from Urban Outfitters. It's really, really cute. And then up here, this faux plant is from Home Goods. And then these books right here are just like super old. They used to be like my dad's when he was a little kid or something. So yeah, they just like looked cute, so I just like put them there. And then this is like a random like box thing, I don't even know. And then this is from Urban Outfitters. Here I have this little like light box thing, which is also from Urban. It's like the mini one, I think. And it just says hello. I don't know why. That's kind of dumb, but I need to like think of something else to put in that. And then this little faux plant is also from Home Goods, I think. And then down here I have this beanbag. It's like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like brown. It's like a dark chocolate brown color, and it's from Pottery Barn. And then this blanket is from Pier 1 Imports. It has like, the other side is like different. Let me find it. Yeah, the other side is like this, and the other side's like that. And I have one of my closets right here, just like my main closet. I have like most of my clothes in there. Moving on to this over here, just have this bigger dresser. That's what it looks like, just like a bigger dresser. And then so I have two more like record cover things right there. And then over here, okay, I have this like box thing, this like reflective, I don't know, box. It's really cool actually. It's like kind of gold tinted. It's from Urban Outfitters. Actually, literally everything on this dresser is from Urban Outfitters except for this faux plant, which is from Home Goods. Home Goods has like super good fake plants. But anyway, so I just have this box thing, and then this candle. It's the same one as on my other dresser. Focus. But it's just like a smaller one. And then this little book is just like, do one thing every day that makes you happy. And I think you can like write in it and stuff. I don't think I ever have. Yeah, you can like write in it, so that's super cute. I need to like actually use this, but yeah, I just think it looks cute right there. And then over here I just have the plant like I said before, and then this, I just keep like random stuff in it. There's like some spare buttons and stuff in there. And then this like quartz crystal thing is from Urban Outfitters also. And then over here I have this little area, and then this is my other closet in my room, and I just use this closet for jackets and coats and sweatshirts, and then it's like a little bit smaller than the other closet, so that's why I use it for that. And then over here I have this mirror, and then this like piece of furniture. So the mirror has like been in my family for a while. I don't know like where it's from or anything. It's like super old, but I thought it was really cool, so I just like took it from my room. And then I just have like my white Doc Martens sitting down there for whatever reason. And then I'll go through this really quick. So the piece of furniture itself is from Urban Outfitters. It's so cool. It's like different colored wood, and I love it. So over here I have this amethyst rock from Urban Outfitters. Then I have this astrology book. I'm like super into zodiac signs and stuff like that, and this is like purple, and so is that, so I thought it like looked cute, you know. And then I don't even know what this is, honestly. It's just like, yeah, I think you like crush something up in it. I don't even know where it's from, but I just thought it looked cute, so it's just like sitting there. And then over here I have this little like pyramid thing. It's from Urban Outfitters. And then this rock, as I don't even know where this is from. I think it might be from Home Goods. Focus. It's not even that pretty, to be honest. It's just like a random rock. And then this candle is literally hilarious. It says it's from Urban Outfitters, but they don't have it anymore on the website. I'm so sad about it. But it's this soy candle, and it says, "Soy glad we're friends." And then under here it says, "Best friends, bitches." And it smells incredible. And then on the next shelf I have all of my camera stuff. So this is the camera that I like film my sit down videos with. It's just the Canon Rebel T3i. And then I have both my lenses. This like came with it, and then I bought this one. And then over here I have this book from Urban Outfitters. Actually, both these are from Urban Outfitters. And this one is Read This If You Want to Take Great Photographs. And then this one's about like New York City or something. Okay, so the next shelf I just have the same candles, the amber and moss one. I just have the smallest size. I have 2 of them. And then I have this like rock lamp thing. I got it like at this farmer's market vendor thing. This person was like selling all these like really cool rock lamps, so that was cool. And then on the very last shelf, I just have this like old typewriter. It does work, but there's like no paper in it. I just kind of use it for decoration, but it does like work and stuff. So yeah, and then these are just like the battery packs from the lights. They're kind of ugly, oops, but I just usually like push them back there and like you can't see them when I'm standing. So yeah, and then these lights I got from Urban Outfitters. Once again, they're just like little like, I think they're called like the fairy lights or something, but they're just like little string lights that you can literally find anywhere. So yeah, and then here's my closet again, and then we're back to my door. Okay guys, that was all for this room tour. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!